Who doesn't love a good massage? However, while a visit to the spa can be the ideal way to reward yourself after a hectic week, some people don't see it as a luxury. If you suffer from joint pain, experience anxiety, or have the need to improve your blood flow, a massage becomes a health necessity. That's why we've put together a list of the top 5 best massage chairs under $1,000, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. We have personally reviewed and tested each of these chairs, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible product. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. So, let's get started with the video. The 5th product in our list is COMFIER Portable Folding Massage Chair. For those of you living in a tiny home, schoolie, or just a smaller space, the COMFIER Portable Folding Massage Chair is for you. If you need that end-of-day release but just don't have space for it, this may be a perfect solution. This is also one of the most affordable, so if you're tight on money, this may be worth the small investment. Fit with heat, vibration, and made with premium leather, this chair is small but mighty. It's built with a neck massager with 4 different Shiatsu mode positions, and a back massager with 8 different rotation nodes including kneading, low back, and upper back to name a few. If you don't like assembling things, you're in luck, because this is no assembly required. When you get it, it's ready for use, and when you're finished, it's ready to be put away. Keep in mind, because of the limited capabilities of such a minimal massager, some settings, of course, aren't included like some others, such as foot and calf massages. Additionally, you might have to find an adjustment that works for you, such as sitting on a pillow if you need to get higher for the neck massager. Sometimes, though, the compromises are worth it to have the accessibility of space. It is good for traveling, small spaces, and those who want to keep their homes space wide open and still have access to massages. The 4th product in our list is SMAGREHO Zero Gravity Massage Chair. This massage chair is compact with outstanding features that not only focus on your neck and shoulders but the entire body. SMAGREHO's full-body massage chair comes in black, blue, or brown, so you can match it to your surrounding furniture and color schemes. Made of faux leather, this chair comes with 8 fixed rollers and airbags all over your shoulders, legs, glutes, and feet, and for a super secure, fitted, and relaxed feel. Fit with a Bluetooth hookup, you can listen to your favorite tunes while enjoying the 6 different full-body presets, 3 levels of back rollers, and an intricately relaxing calf and foot massager, which can't be found on all massage chairs. From the bottom of your feet to the top of your head, it addresses what feels like every muscle in your body, allowing you to completely submit to the warm, tension-releasing sitting. Assembly is easy and takes around 30 minutes, so you can enjoy your chair quickly after it comes. Did we mention it also comes with heating pads? Perfect for a chilly day. Keep in mind, some say they wish there was a pocket or section to hold entertainment sources like iPads and magazines. Maybe you'll have to make your own. This massage chair is good for those who find a lot of tension in their legs and calves. The 3rd product in our list is Shiatsu Full Body Massage Chair. Best massaged feature-filled massage chair might make you want to stay in it forever. Airbags are set around the arms, glutes, legs, and feet, and heated pads are strategically placed around the waist and foot soles to provide relief to overworked body parts. Though this chair is large, assembly is actually pretty minimal. The chair comes with almost everything pre-assembled, aside from the arms and control panel, which only takes a little bit to assemble. It's also made with a really cool body scanning feature, which analyzes your body to detect size so you can have your massaged custom fit to your measurements. I'm sure some people wish they had that when they were little girls in the nail salon, as the rollers were massaging their head instead of their neck. It also comes with 7 preset massage modes including kneading, tapping, stretching, Shiatsu, heating, air pressure, and a combination mode. The best part is, it's not super big, so if you're worried about space but still have a bit of room, this may work for you. Keep in mind, like with other massage chairs, the free delivery means that the delivery driver may very well drop it at your doorstep and keep the rest of the unpacking for you. This specific model is pretty heavy, so be sure to ask a friend or spouse to help you with the unpack and assembly. It is good for those who want a full massage chair with all of the features, but without being too bulky. The second product in our list is Synca CirC Track Heated Massage Chair. The Synca CirC Massage Chair is designed for those who are short of storage. The chair is small enough to fit in the small living room or small bedroom easily, even if you live in a small apartment. With this affordable price, the chair is overwhelmed with its features and characteristics. Do not go with the size of the chair, but look into the traits. The chair is made with an L-shaped track that provides you with the massage, which initiates from the shoulder blades and ends up into the thighs. It is renowned for its therapeutic benefits. With this, you can quickly get heat therapy in your lumbar region. The chair is controllable through remote control, with the help of which you can set the intensity of the rollers. I would highly recommend this chair for those who are always complaining about their leg pain because 10 airbags are located in this chair, specifically in the area of the glute and thighs. These provide you with a pleasant experience of relaxation and comfortability. There are 5 inbuilt massage programs in which kneading, rolling, and tapping are the basic ones. The chair comes with an additional feature that could add to your relaxation, that is dual amber LED lights located on either side of the chair. Although the chair does not provide you with a reclining feature, but with this budget-friendly price and these features, it is said to be a perfect massage chair. The number 1 product in our list is Real Relax Dual Core Massage Chair. The Real Relax Shiatsu recliner comes with all of the features you'd want in a high-end massage chair, and then some. With 8 rollers and 50 airbags, this massage chair helps address the source parts of your body to put you in a relaxing trance. It has heating capabilities, 3 different levels of intensity, and nice and heavy pressure. It also comes with a zero-gravity feature, which is meant to elevate the feet above the heart and release common tensions from the body. Along with its feel-good features, it also has Bluetooth compatibility along with color-changing LED lights for an additional relaxing vibe. Assembly is easy and takes most about 30 minutes to set up. It also comes in black, blue, or brown, and a remote so you can take control of your massage. Keep in mind, there isn't an independent power adjustment for leg elevation. For most, this shouldn't be a problem, but for those who are taller, they might feel like they want this feature. Also, the pieces are shipped in 2 separate boxes, so make sure you have both before trying to assemble. It is good for those who exercise a lot, or for those who don't mind a deep pressure. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.